If you turn your key in the ignition and hear cranking but no turnover and your car just won't start, you could be dealing with a faulty fuel pump. What is a fuel pump? A fuel pump is a pump that transfers fuel from the fuel tank to the fuel injector or carburetor, where the fuel gets mixed with air and then pumped into the engine. If the fuel pump is faulty or broken, it means that not enough fuel is getting to your engine, which means big trouble. Here are some ways you can tell if the issue is a faulty fuel pump. Faulty fuel pump symptoms. These are the most common symptoms of a faulty fuel pump. Number 1. Car not starting. If you hear cranking when you start up the ignition but the engine won't start, you could have a faulty fuel pump. This is because the fuel pump isn't doing its job and the engine isn't getting enough fuel to turn on. Number 2. Engine overheating. If you notice your engine temperature gauge climb past normal levels, this could be caused by a faulty or damaged fuel pump. This is even more likely to happen on long drives, as your fuel pump has the opportunity to reset whenever your car is turned off. The engine overheating could lead to even more damage over time, so if this happens, it's best to drive the car as little as possible until you can take it to a mechanic. Number 3. Stalling when engine overheats. The engine overheating could lead to your car stalling whenever the engine gets too hot. This could be a huge problem if it happens in the middle of a drive, as your car will simply stop moving. Number 4. Engine noise. If you hear your engine rattling or sputtering, it could be because your fuel pump isn't pumping enough gas to meet your vehicle's speed, a common complication of a faulty fuel pump. Number 5. Surging power. If you find your car over-accelerates or lurches forward, especially after stalling, the culprit could be a malfunctioning or broken fuel pump. This is because the fuel pump delivers too much fuel, and is usually followed by the car suddenly slowing down after. Number 6. Acceleration problems. When the fuel pump is faulty or damaged, it isn't able to deliver sufficient fuel to the fuel injector, which leads to difficulty in acceleration. If you're pressing down on the pedal but your car can't keep up, your fuel pump could be at fault. Number 7. Poor fuel efficiency. Since the fuel pump regulates how much gas the engine is ultimately getting, an imbalance in fuel could cause you to burn through gas faster than usual. So, what causes a faulty fuel pump? Faulty fuel pumps are usually caused by an electrical failure, clogging by contaminants like dirt or bad gas, or regular wear and tear that comes with age. Make sure the fuel pump is the issue. First, you need to ensure that your car problems are actually caused by a faulty fuel pump. Since many similar symptoms could be caused by other common car issues, you'll need to rule out other possibilities. So, what can you do if you suspect you have a faulty fuel pump? Let's discover ways that you can get your fuel pump back up to standard. How to fix a faulty fuel pump. 1. Fuel pump repair. If the damage to your fuel pump isn't significant, repairing the pump or replacing parts of the fuel pump could be an option. This is usually only a temporary fix, and you will eventually need to replace the whole pump. 2. Fuel pump replacement. Most commonly, you will need to replace the fuel pump with a new one. This is often the easiest solution and is usually recommended when the fuel pump is damaged or worn out. While it may cost more upfront to replace the fuel pump, it will prevent more complications down the line. 3. Regular maintenance. Regular inspections, cleaning, and general maintenance of the fuel system can prevent the need to replace or repair a faulty fuel pump. 4. Clean the fuel system. Getting a fuel system cleaning every 15,000 miles is recommended to ensure that your fuel pump doesn't wear down or become clogged due to debris. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.